Hey guys, my name is Mahan. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to draw a head. First, draw a circle, then draw an oval here. It's actually a circle, but because of the perspective, it must be like the ellipse. Vertical and horizontal line, hypothetical line in the middle of this sphere. Continue it straightly to down. Well, ears are placed in a quarter of the circle. Let me show you what it looks like from the side. It's just a circle that is divided into 4 parts, and the ear is placed in this part. Draw a curved line from the top of the ear to the chin. Diagonal line here. Actually, this is the third side of this triangle. Draw same line with same angle on the other side. There is small fracture here on sides of the forehead. Let's determine better the place of the eyes. They are placed here, near to the forehead line. If you continue a line directly from the bottom of the ear to the middle of the face, you can find the location of the bottom of the nose. Triangle with fracture at the top. Here there is an opposite shape but a little wider called the kisson. Connect them with a rectangle. Also draw a rectangle on both sides. Almost round shape here for the mouth area. Be careful of the angle for the jawline. It's not very open. It's actually equal as here. If you imagine hypothetical line behind the head, both open with same angle. This is important because if you draw it with larger angle, the result will be something weird. However, it's not weird, of course there are many elongated faces which have long jaws like this, but we are now working on a standard face, so this elongation is not suitable for it. Draw a line in middle of this quarter, and this is the forehead area where the hair start growing. Let's go to the side view. And another important point here, you see here is a bit concave, not flat. Well, draw a circle again and one smaller inside. Divide it into 4 parts. The ear is located in one of these quarters, in back and also down. A straight line from bottom of the ear to the back of the head. Hypothetical line from the top of the ears to front of the face. Determine the eyes area. Diagonal line from the center shows the forehead area. Here is a bit flat. but it's different for men and women face. I will tell you about it in next video. Slope line from ear to down for jaw. Also slope line from the upper part of the eyes to the bottom of the ears, and a curve from the top of the ears to bottom of the jaw. Horizontal line for the placement of the eyes, and another one for the nose. The ears become the center of gravity of the facial components. Everything is measured by its size and proportion. Finally, let's draw a circle for the front view. Divide it into two parts, horizontal line. Draw a small circle on both sides of the head. The ears are in the lower quarter, which is like this in front view. A horizontal line for the forehead bottom with these two fractures on the sides. Just remember, they are not temple. Temples are completely on the sides of the head. Slope line from the bottom of the ears for jaw. Above the forehead. Hypothetical line from the bottom of the ears shows the bottom of the nose. Triangle with fracture. Same opposite shape at the top of the nose. Connect them with a rectangle. It's actually simplified shape of the nose. The eyes are slightly lower than the forehead line. And at the end, draw circle shape for the mouth area. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it and subscribe my channel for more videos.